Is your brake pedal suddenly feeling stiff, or is that brake warning light flashing at you while you drive? You might be dealing with a P0559 trouble code, and ignoring it could eventually make your car much harder to stop. This code specifically points to an intermittent issue with the brake booster pressure sensor circuit. Basically, your car has a computer called the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, that monitors how much vacuum pressure is in your brake booster. This booster is what makes the pedal easy to push. When the sensor sends a signal that cuts in and out, the computer gets confused and sets this code. You might see the check brake light flash, the service engine soon light come on, or physically feel like you have to stand on the pedal to get the car to stop. To fix this, you need to start with a good visual inspection. Pop the hood and locate the brake booster, which is that big round canister on the driver's side firewall. Look for the pressure sensor attached to it. You are looking for vacuum lines that are cracked, brittle, or disconnect. Also, follow the wiring coming off the sensor. Look for any wires that might have rubbed against metal and exposed the copper, or connectors that look green and corroded. If everything looks okay on the outside, you will need a digital multimeter to go deeper. You need to check if the sensor is getting the right voltage from the computer. Consult a repair manual for your specific make and model to find the correct voltage range. If the sensor has power and ground but is sending erratic signals, the sensor itself is likely the culprit. You can also test the wiring for continuity. With the power off, you should see close to 0 ohms of resistance on the wires between the sensor and the computer. If you see high resistance, you have a broken wire. Common fixes usually involve replacing the sensor, fixing a vacuum leak, or repairing damaged wiring. If you are not comfortable using a multimeter or working with electrical circuits, this is the time to take it to a professional, because your brakes are a critical safety system.